We're going to cook some scrambled eggs for breakfast. Scrambled eggs are easy to cook, but for someone who's never done it before, it may pose a bit of a challenge. So I just want to show all the people out there that don't know how to cook scrambled egg how to do it, and while we're at it, we're going to do it over a campfire. So right now I've got a little bit of oil in there. It's actually bacon grease, so I'm going to let that melt a little bit and heat up in the skillet. That'll keep the eggs from sticking too bad to the skillet. Cooking over a campfire is kind of a constant juggling act around the smoke and the flames. You don't want too much flame up underneath there. You mainly want coals, but you need enough heat to get your food done. And then off on this side over here, I keep some bigger pieces of firewood going so I can build up the coals for whatever I'm cooking next. I'll go ahead and put the eggs in there. Salt in there. A bit of pepper in there. One more for good luck. I need to mix them all up. I think it's starting to rain on me a little bit. But that's all part of cooking outdoors. I'm not going to let a little rain stop me from eating my breakfast. The thing with scrambled eggs is you've got to, once they start cooking, you have to keep stirring them so it doesn't brown or kind of get a burnt taste to it. As long as you keep stirring it, then it'll cook evenly. I don't like eggs that have that they've been browned a little bit. It just tastes scorched to me, and I don't like scorched eggs. I don't like my eggs to be runny. I like them completely done, whether I'm eating scrambled eggs or fried eggs. I just don't like the runny yolks, so I'm going to cook these till they're good and done. Gordon Ramsay may not approve of the way I cook eggs, but he's not here to cook eggs for me, so I'm going to do it my way, and I'm going to enjoy it. Alright, those look done. And that's how you cook eggs over a campfire. I'm going to go inside and enjoy myself some breakfast.